South Africa has suffered through the worst levels of electricity rationing on record, with rolling blackouts hitting 100 consecutive days. South Africa's energy minister says that the ongoing energy crisis in the country is an irritation to society, and if it is not resolved, it could lead to a revolt. Here are the details of these and other stories making headlines across Africa.
Meanwhile, in Tanzania, over 1 million people are expected to benefit from the construction of an industrial park in the Kwala area, Kibaha district in the Coast region. The total investment in the Kwala satellite city has been projected to be $3 billion, which is equivalent to 6.9 trillion shillings. The project that will be implemented in 24 months will see the construction works cost 345 billion shillings. It is expected that over 200 industries will be built in the area in 2 phases. The project will include different facilities, including infrastructure offices, residential buildings, administration blocks, commercial buildings, churches, mosques, police stations, gas stations, and fire assembly stations. This project will reduce congestion of cargo and containers at the Dar es Salaam port and benefit neighboring landlocked countries. And finally, the Ethiopian government said it will spend $90 million on the Tigrayan capital to help restarting banking services in the country. Ethiopian Airlines was also planning to increase the number of flights to the region. The Prime Minister announced on Twitter that the National Bank has started to send money to the capital for distribution. Since the agreement was signed in the South African capital, fighting has stopped and aid deliveries to the Tigrayan have resumed, as the region has long faced severe shortages of food, fuel, cash, and medicine.